Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of Cartesian equation for a line. A line has parametric equations x equals 3 minus t, y equals negative 2 minus 4t, and t can be any real number. Determine a Cartesian equation for this line. The general equation for Cartesian equation of a line is ax plus by plus c equals 0. So we have to find the values of a, b and c for this line. The coefficients a and b represent the normal vector of this line. Now we can analyze the given parametric equations. From these parametric equations, we can find a point that lies on this line. The coordinates of the point are the number terms in these equations, 3 and negative 2. So coordinates of a point that lies on this line is 3, negative 2. The next thing we can find from these equations is the direction vector of the line. And the components of the direction vector are the coefficients of t terms in these equations. So in the x term, the coefficient of t is -1. So the x component of the direction vector is -1. And in the y equation, the coefficient of the t term is -4. So that's the y component of the direction vector. The normal vector of the line is perpendicular to the direction vector of the line. That means their dot product should be equal to 0. We can do the dot product on the left side. We can multiply the x components and y component. Now we can isolate a by adding 4b to both sides. Now we can divide both sides by -1. So the negatives on the left side get cancelled out. There are infinite values of a and b that will satisfy this equation. We should use the easiest values. So we can assume b is equal to 1. We can sub in b as 1 in this equation. A is equal to -4. Now we can sub in these values of a and b in the general equation. Now we have to find the value of c. For that, we'll use the point 3, -2 that lies on this line. So we'll sub in x as 3 and y as -2. Now we can isolate C by adding 14 to both sides. So I get C equals 14. So the Cartesian equation for this line is, we should make the x term in this equation positive by dividing each term in this equation by -1. So this should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.